Today, Massachusetts Attorney General Maura Healey announced 20 counts of criminal charges against former leaders of the Holyoke Soldiers Home for their alleged role in the COVID-19 outbreak at the home. 22 News is working for you with live team coverage this evening. We begin with reporter Katrina Kincaid outside the Holyoke Soldiers Home with a breakdown of those charges.
Ciara, the state believes that this is the first ever criminal case brought against those involved with a nursing home during the COVID-19 pandemic. In April, State Attorney General Maura Healey opened an investigation to determine whether the actions taken at the Holyoke Soldiers Home during the COVID-19 pandemic amounted to law violations. On Friday, Healey announced criminal charges. The state is each charging former Superintendent Bennett Walsh and Medical Director David Clinton with 5 counts of serious bodily injury and 5 counts of criminal neglect of an elder.
These charges stem from their alleged role in the deadly COVID-19 outbreak at the Holyoke Soldiers Home.
Healey says Walsh and Clinton are responsible for a decision on March 27th that led to a deadly result.
The decision to consolidate 2 dementia units into one, which meant that symptomatic and COVID-positive residents were placed within feet of asymptomatic residents, exposing those residents further to the virus.
The decision combined 42 veterans, some COVID positive and others asymptomatic, into a unit that accommodates only 25.
And because there wasn't enough space in these overcrowded rooms for all the veterans, the home placed 9 beds in a dining room.
The charges are based on 5 veterans who were moved into the dining room of the consolidated unit. 3 contracted COVID-19, 1 of them died.
The beds of these veterans in the dining room were just a few feet apart from each other and next to the room where confirmed positive residents were located. And residents in the unit were mingling together regardless of their COVID-19 status.
The state alleges that this circumstance never should have happened and put veterans at greater risk of death. If convicted, Walsh and Clinton could face up to 65 years in prison. Working for you in Holyoke, Katrina Kincaid, 22 News.